have to say that I love these mirrors here. I can't remember the name of them right now. I'll pop it up in the video. But I've replaced my Himalayan wing mirrors because every time I dropped the bike, for some reason my hands were striking the stanchions right on the thumb. So I knackered both thumbs on two different rides, left and right. But I got these. They're about £61.45. I say about. I think they're £61.45 for a single one. And I love them. You've got a much wider frame, so you can see a lot more in them. You can fold them inwards, so that when you're off-roading, you don't have to worry about catching them or anything else like that, because they literally just fold straight in and down, which is again very handy. And they are incredibly vibration free. The picture on them is crystal clear. They're not bad on the Himalayan actually. On the 310, my right mirror was incredibly blurred because it would vibrate more so than the left, and I don't quite know how that works, but that's it. But it was, once I'd worked it out, and it took me a little bit to, because I'm a little bit thick, to get the bolts in. But once I'd worked out which ones I needed and had got the right angle, because they are fiddly to get in, I've got to say they are very fiddly to get in. Once it was in, this went on easily. Basically this is fitted by tightening that, and this is fitted here by tightening that, so that's all you have to do. So you can just loosen it off, change what you need to change, and you tickety-boo, good to go.